Who taught them inside this airtight container that when you come out, you cannot go into the water, otherwise you will drown. And when you come out, you must go towards the water, otherwise you will not survive. This is the qudrat of Allah, brothers. Allah's signs are everywhere. أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت. Allah Ta'ala is inviting us again and again, look around you. إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم. Look around you, look at the mountains, look at the skies, look at the earth, look at the camel, look at the animals, look at the stars. Everywhere there are signs of the manifestation of the qudrat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Providing one looks with eyes that see, and he will find Allah everywhere, in every particle of sand, in the expanse of the heavens, and the enormity of the mountains, and the glow of the moonlight, and the twinkling of the stars, and the rays of the sun, and in the whiteness of the clouds, and in the pouring of the rain, the blowing of the wind and the scattering of the leaves, the changing of the seasons, and the raging of the storms, and in the setting and the rising of the sun, and in the colors of the sunsets, and in the vastness of the valleys, and the vastitudes and the depths of the oceans, and in the limitlessness of the deserts, and in the immeasurability of the infinite grains of sands contained within those deserts. Allahu Akbar. And in the falling of the morning dew, and in the shining of the droplet of water on the tip of the leaf in the midday sun, and in the trickling of the streams, and the raging of the rivers, and the flowing of the seas, and the crashing of the waves on the shores, and the rising and the receding of the tides, and the spinning of the spider's web, and in the sweetness of the honey, and in the blossoming of the flowers and the blooming of the daffodils, and in the flight of the birds, and the flapping of their wings, and the cooing of the doves, and the call of the nightingale, and in the constellation of the stars, and in the swirl of the galaxies, and in the colors of the rainbows, and in the symmetry of the butterflies, and in the ground yielding its harvest, and in the fact that the black and white cow, Allahu Akbar, black and white cow eats green grass, which inside it produces red blood, yellow urine, black stool. من بين فرث ودم لبنا خالصا سائغا للشاربين. And from between the red blood, yellow urine, black stool from the green grass inside the black and white cow, our Allah takes out white, nutritious, fresh, sweet tasting milk for us. This is our Allah, brothers and sisters. Providing we look with eyes that see. Look at the artistry of Allah. We were in the wombs of our mothers. Now they've got, mashallah, special equipment. They've